What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the last video of 2019. Can you believe this year is almost done? I mean, it's done today. I can't believe it. 2020 is tomorrow. It's unbelievable to me. It's been a pretty good year. In fact, I think we should be there by now. So I'm going to look at it real quick here so I can officially say, yep, we can. Check this out. 30,000 subscribers just happened today, the last day of the year. That's awesome. Thank you guys so much for that. I am going to be putting together a giveaway. Originally at the 25K giveaway, I believe I said I was putting together another big one at 50K. I didn't anticipate that would take as long to get there. I thought, well, we're at 25, 50 will probably come soon, but it's taking, till now to only get 5,000 more. So we might have to rethink our 50K goal, or I might just stick with it and, keep going with it because I feel like we should already be there. We should already be at 50K. But anyway, I'm not gonna, this video is not about me complaining about that. But what this video is supposed to be about is I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a thank you for this year. I'm gonna say thank you to all of you awesome people that are here, that have been here this year, that have been here for previous years. I really want to say thank you to you guys for that. I also want to show you what I got myself for Christmas this year. I got myself something pretty great. I feel like I was gonna leave this for the end. But I feel like we should lead with it. I feel like a lot of you dip out very early in my videos anyway, so let me show you what Mike got Mike this year for Christmas. Mike really is too kind, by the way. He's such a generous guy. He knows exactly what to get me every year, and once again he succeeded. He always knows what I love. Let me turn the lights off real quick so I can, I'll grab it. I'll turn the lights off, but you need the full effect. 1 off, 2 off. 1 second. Are you guys ready for this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this freaking, let me turn the lights back on here. There you go. Both of them on. Check this thing out. How cool is this freaking thing? I mean it just turns on and off like that. Yeah, I've always wanted one of these. I was super excited to grab it. I actually got a second one coming on the way, by the way. It's supposed to be here this week. It'll probably be here by the end of the week. Maybe I'll feature that one in a future video. I don't know. But I also wanted to talk real quick about the future this coming year, with Dauntless. Dauntless Modern Grooming, the brand that I run, the homebrewed brand that most of you probably already know about if you've been around here on the channel for at least the past couple of months. And of course, we started Dauntless back in September. That's when we opened shop, and since then, I think it's been incredible. So many people have told me how much they love the products. In fact, we were just featured on Blue Mon yesterday on his, I think it was yesterday, on his top picks, best and worst products of the year. The wax cream was on his best list. So big thank you to that, to Joe. Big thank you for that. I thought that was incredible. So a lot of people have been reaching out about, the wax cream, the matte paste, the pomade, the grooming oil. They just love it. They want to know what we're going to do next. And let me tell you, 2020 is going to be a big year for us, starting right off the bat this weekend. We're starting this weekend with some new stuff. We are like hitting 2020 with a passion here. We're starting this weekend with a scent swap with Flagship. We were talking about like how can we do something together, we're talking about maybe doing a collab down the road, on a product, but I just thought like the coolest thing that we could do right now and just be really easy but still really effective was a scent swap. And of course we had to go with My Bay Rum. My Bay Rum has been probably the most popular scent from the line. Fearless is pretty popular. A lot of you guys say you love it. I love it. I love Fearless, but there's something special about that Bay Rum. Everybody that smells it just says they love it. It's a very addicting scent, and I knew it the first time I smelled it that I needed to just run with it. So and for those asking, I would use it as my full-time line scent. It's just super expensive. It's way too expensive to use all the time. If it ever comes down in price, well, we may have to, you know, revisit. If it ever comes down in price, we may have to revisit that. But as of now, it's super expensive. And so, but I do use it all the time in the grooming oil because I just make less of those, and you use less scent when you make those. It's just an easier product to use that scent for full time. The hair products is kind of a different story. And so they are going to be using our bay rum in the following products. They're going to be using it in Flagship, Black Water, the pre-styling cream that's pretty new. They're going to be using it in the Dead Sea Clay, and then finally the matte paste. And when it comes to that matte paste, this is a new thing. This is new. I think it's been discussed briefly in a Facebook post by Flagship, but when it comes to that matte paste, it is going to be a newly released reformulated matte paste. Those are the products that the Bay Rum is going to be featured in. I especially can't wait to smell the Black Water in the Bay Rum because that's a product that I use a lot and I really like that one. So I think that one's going to be particularly cool. Now, what did we do for this scent swap? What did we do? What we did was we asked the question on Everything Pomade on Facebook. We just kind of, I made a post and I asked for people to comment what scents that they like and kind of do a little the little vote, if you will. It wasn't like a full-on poll, but they just, you know, started listing out scents that they like, and I noticed a lot of people were mentioning strawberry mango. A lot of votes came in for strawberry mango, so I went to Wade and was like, what do you think about this? And it turns out Wade gets a lot of compliments for strawberry mango. He gets it's a fan favorite for his line, so he sent that to me, and what I'm doing is I made it already. I already actually have all of them made. I made them all in all 4 of my products. I just made it the entire line, a limited run of strawberry mango, and it smells freaking amazing. Everything else beyond that is made exactly the way you guys have been enjoying it. All the formulas are the same, the wax cream, the pomade, the matte paste. It is all exactly the way you guys know it. Right now, it will not change. That's it. We just got the new strawberry mango scent, of course. Now, there are very limited amounts. I don't know how many exactly Flagship is doing of each of his products. I can tell you I have small amounts. I think I'm only doing like 25 pomades, maybe 55 or 58 wax creams, and around the same of matte paste. So it's going to be a very limited run special, and we're going to start this off around, let's say, 7 p.m. Central Time this coming Friday. This coming Friday, we will do it, and it'll run until everything's sold. So everything will be gone whenever it goes, and I think it's going to go probably fairly quickly, so you probably want to get in there and get your order in. Thank you also for an awesome 2019. That's incredible to me that we had a pretty good year for content. I think things have stepped up. I'm actually kind of in construction with this studio here. I'm moving some things around. I just painted this wall. I'm going to be adding some new lights in, so very soon you're going to see hopefully a good change here to the way the videos look. This is very plain for me, so hopefully things will just improve, though. That's all I'm doing, just trying to step it up constantly, make things better for you guys. And this next year, we got stuff planned, more reviews, obviously. We got tutorials planned. I got collabs that we're already in the talks, in the works with. I got Behind the Brews. People are already scheduling Behind the Brews with me, which is just incredible because I love those videos so much. I love traveling and filming and producing that content and getting you guys a chance to look at these brands and really see what goes into making them, because it is such an awesome art. I love it. That's why I do it. I think it's just incredible, and the only thing I love more than actually doing it is showing how everyone else does it to you guys. So it's just awesome. So thank you guys so much for that. Once again, thank you for 30,000 subscribers. That's insane, but let's keep going. And if you'd like to drop me a like on this video, I'd really appreciate that as well. Drop me a comment down below. Maybe tell me how you're spending your New Year's, or maybe something you'd like to see in 2020. I'll see what I can do for you guys there. And as always, thank you so much for supporting Dauntless. It's incredible to me that you guys are doing that, and I thank you so much for that. Everybody that tries out the products, thank you very much for that. We will have a lot of new stuff coming out with Dauntless too, but I'll save that for another video because I got some New Year's Eve stuff to attend to. So thank you once again for an awesome 2019, and as always, you take it easy. I'll see you next year.